Hello, gorgeous! Here is my mermaid hair review and quick tutorial. Stay until the very end for a wonderful gift I think you're absolutely gonna love. I absolutely hate doing my hair, but I have a lot of it. I gotta do something about it and always look for shortcuts I can take to look glam in the shortest amount of time and effort possible. This is a huge help for exaggerated waves. I prep my hair with leave-in conditioner and heat protectant spray, work it in, make sure the mermaid hair tool is heated for at least 5 minutes so that it's nice, hot, and ready so I don't have to leave it in my hair for much longer. Then press my hair for 30 seconds per section. I move it down evenly for the rest of the section and apply hairspray afterward. I love Garnier's hairspray, I'll have it linked below. Same with the mermaid hair tool because it's less than $4, the hairspray, and it smells amazing. I feel like a movie star and get compliments all the time wearing my hair like this. It took me less than 20 minutes to do it, I wanna say, but definitely a touch more than 15. I also wanted to give you this wonderful gift that I started doing of monthly mood boards of classic, elegant, feminine style. They are sent straight to your inbox every single month and they're totally free if you sign up to the newsletter. It has tons of beautiful style that is entirely timeless that have been stunning for the past 100 years and will be stunning for another 100 years, so check it out, linked below. And it's nothing to do with trends, it's simply signature style. Follow me on LTK at Gia Dixon for daily style inspiration of my personal outfits. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a like, subscribe, and click the bell, and I will see you later.